Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will be discussing about entering trade lines and entering sparks lines. So let us, we have this column where we have few datas. Now TRA and a trend. What you can do is you can insert, you can format this as table, or we can insert this as now we can just add another column and add a trend. To add a trend, let's say trend, and click on insert, and you can see on spark lines we have three. Under the insert column under the insert column we have spark lines. We can have lines, columns, wins ratio. Click on any one of these, and data range from where, from this to this, and where do we want this to be on. You can see trend E2, location is E dollar 2. That means this is reference, absolute reference. We don't want it to be absolute reference, we want this to be changing, so we'll change to E2. And if we drag this one down, you can have the trade line. You can see 346, it's increasing, so it's upward. Let's make 316. You can see trade line has changed. Similarly you can have it column, data range, this one, removing dollar, so that we can have like this. So it's up to you. Like this we can change it, we can make it to line. We can select this one, market color, let's say yellow. We can do black, so it's up to you. So this is how we can add trending lines. So similarly Excel also has quick analysis tool. To use this quick analysis tool, just select the entire table and you can see this one, and you can see formatting charts. We can enter charts like this, totals, scatters, so totals, sum, average, tables, pivot table, spark lines. We can enter this formatting, let's say greater than filled up with right next. You can custom this as well. So let's say a font, fill up with this one, click on OK. So you can use like this. So let's do this one, and we want data bars. So you can enter data bars trend like this. So it's up to you. You can use different designs, you can use different colors, every like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now we will work with data validation. So how data validation work, how to do this. So we have been provided with name of these players. Let's add another one, so country. Now we will do country, select this one, or you can select even whole one and click on data and data validation and any value. See, settings, allow any value. Now country should be text, right? So it should be text. Data minimum should be 1, maximum let's do 1, and input message either you can, this will give us input message, please enter valid country name. Error allowed, here stop. We have 3, one is stop warning information. If we choose stop, invalid entry. If we choose stop, it won't allow us to enter the data. Click on OK. See, please enter Egypt, EGYPT, Egypt. Now if I type 12, okay, Egypt, just Egypt, then select this, data validation, settings, whole number, decimal list. We can choose any number, decimal, text length. So our one is minimum should be 1, maximum is 10. So Egypt, let's say you Uruguay, Cody Gapco, Netherlands, NETHERLANDS, Netherlands. Say it is not allowing us to enter Netherlands because our text length is from 1 to 10. So for this one, we need to again go to data validation. Now we will increase it to 15. Let's say Netherlands, Diego Jota, Diego Jota, Portugal, Luis Diaz, Colombo, England. If we entered anything that is larger than 15 now, it won't accept. So age, again we can do for age. So click on data validation. Any value? No, whole number. We need to have whole number. Minimum, maximum. Minimum, let's say 1, maximum, let's say 50. Now let's see data validation for age. Age should be whole number. So click on age, select the profile. You can either select the whole or select the cells you need. Then go to data validation. Click on data validation, settings. Any value? No, it should be whole number. Minimum, maximum, you can leave it. Let's say in the minimum 1, maximum let's do 60. Input message is cannot be more than 60. Error, stop. Click on OK. See, age cannot be more than 60. Let's say 33. If I put numbers, it shouldn't give it shouldn't allow us to enter the alphabet because our data validation has clearly said that it should be whole number. So let's say 22.5 doesn't give it because it should be whole number. So if it is 22.5, 23, let's enter one more than 60, 65, again it restricts. So 24, 26, 20, 25, 23, 23. So this is how data validation work. Another one is, if we know, if we are pretty much sure of what value to use, then we can create drop down list. For example, for example, we can use this for a position. So striker, midfielder, defense, or we can use like this, right wing, striker, left wing, striker, right back. And now what we're gonna do is, in position we'll select this, we go to data validation again, and this time on settings we will choose list, and source we will do the source. So it's up to you. So anything in there it will be included. Let's say if I select till here, ignore blank, click on OK. Now you can see drop down list. So Mohammad Salah is right wing, so Darwin Nunez is striker, Cody Gakpo left wing, Diogo Jota striker, left wing, Arnold right back. Now let's suppose I want to add midfielder. So I'll write and Japan is, let's say, 33, and now he is midfielder. Now what I'll do, CDM, enter central defensive midfielder, and if we see it now, if we drag this, say, we can say CDM. So it all depends on data validation. So for this one, earlier we have select data validation for this column only, so that's why earlier it was not there. So select this one, data validation. That means until the 20 drop down list will keeps on coming. So data validation list source is till here. So CDM. Okay, so let me do LB and RCM. So I will add another one. Let's say 66. Now I am able to enter 66 because our earlier data validation, if we see, our earlier data validation was till here. So now again I have to define this one, data validation. Okay, so minimum 60, click on OK. See, now if I enter 66, now it won't give us 32. Now I can see I can see left back, but I cannot see RCM because we have not selected, we have strictly defined that range on data validation. If you see on data validation, our range is from has 2 to has 8. So in order to have this one, we again need to update it. Click on OK. Now we can see RCM as well. So this is how data validation works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try to do the exercises I have with the Excel sheets that is provided to you. Thank you.